Our topic now is empirical formula and molecular formula. Now, empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of various elements or various atoms present in one molecule of a compound. Like glucose has a molecular formula C6H12O6. So what does it mean? What is the significance of this molecular formula? It is showing the exact combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in a molecule of glucose. The exact number of carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms and oxygen. Empirical formula means actually the simplest whole number ratio of these atoms of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen that is combining. So it is C is to H is to O, I can see in the molecular formula is 6 is to 12 is to 6, which if we simplify becomes 1 is to 2 is to 1. So based on that simplest ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1, we can frame the empirical formula. So we can see that if we multiply the empirical formula by some factor n, we lead to molecular formula. These are the steps to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula, rather find out empirical formula and molecular formula. First, we need the number of moles of the elements that is present in the compound using this formula. Number of moles of the element is equal to mass percent by the atomic mass of the element. Then from this number of moles, find the simplest molar ratio. That means whichever the number of mole is coming, you have to divide each number of mole by the lowest value. Then find the simplest whole number molar ratio by multiplying it with a suitable integer, and then you will get the empirical formula. After getting the empirical formula, you need to find the empirical formula mass, and there will be something in your question from where you will get the molar mass of the compound. Maybe directly the molar mass is given, or any information related to molar volume or molar anything from where you will get the molar mass. Or vapor density also may be given. That is also important thing. 2 into vapor density will give you the molar mass. This relation may also be given. If you get the molar mass, then you divide the molar mass by the empirical formula mass to get the n factor, and multiply the empirical formula by the n factor to get the molecular formula.